Hi everyone, Thelma here of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I have for you a Family Dollar haul. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. First I'm going to show you this witch's broom. It's out of wood. Hang on, there it is. I picked out the orange broom, and they had purple and black, and this one has a bat on it right here. It moves, and it says well, I can't make it out because of my eyes are still bad until I have that surgery in October. And it also has a spider right here, but I'll hold it up so you can see what it says. My son read it off to me, and that's what sold me on it, because the orange ones and the purple and the black, they all say different things. And it's a rather large broom stick. It would be the way it's pointed on the end. You would stake it in the ground outside, but I'm not going to. I'm going to use it as decoration indoors, because I put something out earlier that a friend gave me and over the summer, and someone told me how nice they were that lives on this block, and then next thing I know it was gone. So I'm not putting, while we're living here, I'm not putting anything outside. And on the back it looks just like this. But it's perfect. It's big. It's probably about 2.5, 3 foot tall. And it was only $5. And then this one says, I'll get you my pretties. And it's a coffin. And it's about the same size as the witch's broom. And I like how it has the witch's hat right there, and it's orange, and it has bats down here. And this was $5 too. Okay, next I want to show you the jack-o'-lanterns that I got. First, I seen this one. It's battery operated. I like this one, and this one was $5. Let me see if I can turn it on for you. There it is. It does like that. It flashes, and I think you just push it again. There's a button down here. You just push it again and it stops, and it changes colors. Let me set this over here. But how's everybody doing? I hope everybody is still enjoying the rest of their summer. I'm doing okay. This one is a Hocus Pocus sign. You set it down and it dangles back and forth. And this was $5. And then one more thing in this bag. This is it's like a ceramic black pumpkin with orange Hocus Pocus on it. I hope you can see it there. Okay, let's put this back here. And I have some more jack-o'-lanterns. I bought this one. Now this one is not battery operated. It has an extension cord. I bought this one, and 2 of them are the same. Okay, and I bought 2 of that one that I just showed you, and then I bought 1 of this one. Or are these the 2 the same? I'll just show all 3 of them to you. but they're pretty large. And these were, they were either $5 too, or they were $7. I can't remember. And the other one is right here. But I love jack-o'-lanterns. And this is a Halloween, but I'm thinking of painting them black. Soon as I have my husband look at it and tell me what the designs are on this, because I just can't make it out. And these were $5, and I got them because they didn't have the flower on it. And it has a candle in it. It flickers. But I got it marked down because the flowers were off. And here's the other one. It's bigger. And again, I got this one marked down because the flowers, some of them were off. But I went ahead and took the rest of them off. But I like this one, the way the pattern is. You can use it for anything. And I might leave it brown, or I might paint it black. I'm not for sure. I'm trying to find how to turn this on. Anyway, it's just got a white candle in it, and it flashes too. And then I have one more bag. And this is the last item. But let me know if you are already taking this opportunity while they're putting out Halloween stuff early. This one says Happy Halloween, and it has the witch flying her broom over all the decoration, Halloween decoration, and little bushes. It's like she's coming out of the forest and getting ready to do her rounds on Halloween night. And they had another one with a black cat, and these were $5 too. And this is the back. And I do believe that is it for today's haul. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Please leave a comment, and if you liked today's video, hit that little thumbs up button. It really helps my channel grow. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and select all. That way you'll be notified of all my future uploads, and you'll be entered into the giveaway contest that I have going on. And I'll add more information down below in the description about the giveaway contests. And you can always go and watch my video I have showing everything that you will be getting if you're the winner. Alright, thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye-bye.